Okay, so for these last ones here, what makes them a little bit different to what we've previously seen is the fact that we've got this whole number component to them. So see how like over here, we've got this 2 and over here we've got this 3. What that means is that our percentages are going to be more than 100%. So this 2 means that I'm actually going to end up with 200% for that 2. So this 2 means 200%. And now I just need to figure out what this 2/5 means. So what does that 2/5 mean? Well, what I can do here is I could actually create an equivalent fraction, couldn't I? Because I know that I can turn this 5 into 100. So 5 times 20 will make it 100. And we could times the top. We have to times the top by 20 as well. So that means we're going to end up with 40 on 100, which means it's going to be 40%. So this 2/5 here, sorry, my screen is just jumping around like crazy. 2/5 here means 40%. So that means all up, we're going to get 240% as our answer there, 240%. So see how we read them both off separately. This 2 told me 200%. This 2 on 5 meant 40%. Okay, we come to the next one here. Here we've got 3, 4, and 15. So again, this 3 is telling me that's 300%. And now I just need to figure out what this 4 and 15 is telling me. All right, well, this 4 on 15, can I turn 15 into 100? No, I cannot. So that means I have to times it by 100 over 1. And then I have to simplify. I can simplify this 15 and 100 by dividing them both by 5. This will become 3. This will become 20. I then need to multiply across. So I'm going to go 4 times 20 is 80. And 3 times 1 is 3. I then need to go, all right, how many times does 3 go into 80? 0.00. Sometimes I like to put the 0.00 just in the anticipation of things going over. All right, how many times does 3 go into 8? It goes in twice because 3 2s are 6s, which means I have 2 left over. How many times does 3 go into 20? 3 times 6 is 18. And that means I'm going to have 2 left over here. So I'm going to put a 2 here. How many times does 3 go into 20? It goes in 6 times because 3 6s are 18 with 2 left over. And hopefully you can see I'm going to end up with a recurring decimal here. Make sure you move your decimal point straight up like that. So that means this 4 on 15 is telling me I've got 26 point. Now, if I round this, it will just be 67%. So that means my final answer here will be 326.67%. That will be my answer, 326.67%. All right, hopefully those ones have made sense to you. You can now get started on your exercise. Good luck.